Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about a funny, no it's not funny, it's related idiom or proverb in English, and that is laughter is the best medicine. So it is not funny, but it is laughter-y and something like that. Anyway, yeah, laughter is the best medicine. Well, now science also says that this is true, because it's not the best one, maybe not be the best one, but it can act like a medicine because it does lots of things. So laughter is laughing. Okay, that's the noun for laughing. This is the best medicine. So this might be the same thing, or I mean the same belief, or you might have the same expression or similar one in your language that suggests the same thing. That the ones that laugh more are more healthy. They do not need medicine that much medicine, and they are more healthy. They are more energetic. They are happy in general, not just laughing. I mean happy with things that happen around them. They do not get stressed and other things. So that's the criteria. That's some of the let's say qualities that people who laugh more have. So this is used when we want to invite people to forget about something sad, or to maybe someone is around you and that is punishing himself or herself by just thinking about something that hasn't happened yet, or is worrying about something in future, or just stick to something bad that has happened and doesn't let it go. So in that case, in those areas, we mainly use this, and we advise them, kind of advising or suggest, just tell them that this is also true and true. Think of this. So we invite them to think of that and just let the worry go and let the sadness go by laughing more. So let's look at examples that will help you get the meaning a bit more when you see that in examples. And if you have some examples for me, please comment them below the video. I'll be grateful if you could do that. Then we'll have more examples around the video. Alright, let's look at my examples. A visit from Suzanne always makes me feel better. She is so hilarious. It's like they say, laughter is the best medicine. Okay, imagine this person, the person that says this, is in hospital, admitted at hospital, and so Suzanne goes there, visits him or her, and always her visits makes her feel better because she is hilarious, she is full of energy, and she is happy, full of laughter, hilarious. And then when she's there, or when she visits, the person being visited always feels better. And then relates that to the fact or the saying that laughter is the best medicine. They over here is not known. We're not talking about those people over there, or they. They means in general, what public, okay, people. What's said by the majority of people, or what the proverb says, what has come to us from other eras, other times. Okay, some people, or let's say grandparents or the ancestors, has left us for us. So that is the they. Okay, in these cases we do not explain where this word comes from, who has said that. Say they. Okay, means most of people, the majority. And now let's look at this one, which is this is a part. I took this part from a website that is kind of related to a scientific science thing, researchers, which has had some research on laughter. So this is not my words, this is based on some studies. Alright, they say laughter boosts the immune system and decreases stress hormones. Maybe that's why they say laughter is the best medicine. Okay, again, they say is over here. They say is the same thing, referring to the word, the sentence that has been put for us by others, which is laughter is the best medicine. And here facts are going to, here an example says that this is true, and here the studies suggest that this is true. So the person referring, giving the information, connects it to the idea that this is true. That's why they say this. Alright? And what is that? Laughter boosts the immune system. What is boost? Means improves, makes it better, or makes it ready, or improves it, okay? Brings it up, okay? Boosts the immune system, so makes it ready, so when you have a better immune system, so you do not get diseases easily. And then decreases, puts down, or just the reverse, brings it down, decreases the stress hormones. Decreases stress hormones. So you lose stress. Okay, you lose this. Something that makes you free to laugh, something that when it's not there, you feel better, you feel better, you are more happy, and the rest. So these are all happen, these are all there, these are all with you if laughter is with you. So if you wear your smile, then these are all yours. Maybe that's why they say this. Alright, so this was the lesson and my examples. You might have some good ones, something that really sticks to mind. If you do some, please comment them below this video, and I hope you always have your smile on and you are having, well, boosted immune system and decreased stress hormones because of your laughters. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye!